My name's Steve Williamson. I live in just south of Lancaster, in a little village called Pilling. I did a level 1 lawn care course in, I think it was April, just around my birthday. And what I learnt from that was just good general groundskeepership. And I thought, well, when Allett offered a level 2, I thought, well, surely there can't be more to learn, but there is, and I've learnt a lot. What I particularly liked today was we actually were given samples of grass species, and to me, I wouldn't have had a clue. But what Richard did, he went through it, he detail by bit. We had a chart, and we had to identify the rolled leaf. Are the tram lines on there? Do they have like a fur on there? And we all successfully identified two different types of grass. I think later on we're going to be looking at fescue, which is a type of grass that I quite like. But it's been a great day. We've looked at an overseeder. I was particularly interested in one of them because I bought one, and I just asked the fella how it works. We've used all the Sterlings, the Kensington, the Cambridge mowers, which are absolutely first class, excellent mowers. And I would definitely recommend this level 2 to anybody who's done level 1. And if you haven't done level 1, do it, because it'll open your eyes to how you can improve your lawn and how it's just a nice lifestyle choice, because having a nice lawn, you can show off to your neighbours. People will be a bit, keeping up with the Joneses, and having that knowledge, it's a good thing. It's calming in some ways. It's good for the mind, body and soul. Not good for the pocket though. But I love it. I really do like it, and it's been a pleasure.